welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix TikTok network error. Please try again. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. And then you can try opening up TikTok. If that does not work, head over to your recent apps, force close all apps including TikTok, and reopen it on your device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings, tap on apps, and then tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar, search for TikTok in the search bar, tap on TikTok, scroll down, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of TikTok and try again. You can also head over to your Play Store on your device through your app drawer. Once you're inside Play Store, what you can do is head over to search and then search for TikTok in the search bar and hit update to update TikTok to the latest version if you have not already. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for TikTok, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, and reinstall it from the Play Store. If the issue still persists, then it is likely a problem on TikTok's service side and it should be fixed by them. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.